No!
No! Help!
It's dude! Stop! This is. Oh my god!
Gigi! Stop!
This is my new carpet. Come on, man! No!
Well, this is the thanks I get. I come home to this. He literally ate the door.
Happy birthday. Stop.
Oh my god.
Let go. Wait! Let go.
Raven, leave it. Nope.
Come here. Come here.
This is what we came home to tonight. That's flour. Lulu, look at me.
Oh, no, I said, what did you do?
Excuse me? What are you doing?
What have you done?
But check this out. No, Cass, don't. Seriously? Stop shooting that way.
Get your tongue off my door.
No, you're not getting dinner. You're bad.
Lie down! Lie down! What did you do?
Don't touch her. She's not yours to touch. No!